A car hire firm has 2 cars which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed as a Poisson distribution with mean 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days on which there is no demand and the second one on which demand is refused. So if you observe, there is no value for n in this case also. So you will have a word as mean. So you can observe, if n is not visible, there must be the mean or average will be given in the question. So mean is related to lambda is equal to 1.5. Okay. The next. So how many number of cars are hired per day? Only 2 cars. If we cross those 2 cars, that demand will be refused. It's clear? So the first question, what is given? On which there is no demand. So there is no demand for cars. So then what is the value for x? If there is no demand, what is the value for x? No means x is equal to 0. So probability of no demand for the car, x is equal to 0. So what is the formula for this Poisson distribution? E power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Already we have in the data lambda value as 1.5. That is substituted directly in this, and coming to the no demand of cars. So probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to e power minus 1.5 by 0 factorial. So by simplifying this value, you get as 0.223. So this is the first question, probability of no demand cars. But it is given calculate the proportion of days. So it is given as calculate the proportion of days. So how to calculate the proportion of days when there is no demand of cars per year? So we have to calculate per year. So number of days per year we have as 365 days. So 365 into probability of no demand value, then you will get the 81 days. This is the first question. The next one. So probability of demand refused. So if the demand is refused means per day the number of cars demanding as 2. If that demand is refused, that means if the number of cars are more than 2, so that demand is in the case of refused. So that probability we can take as probability of x greater than 2. That means you have to take x values more than 2, that is from 3, 4 and so on infinite. So we are changing that probability as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 2. If it is greater than or equal to, you cannot keep here equality. If you have here equality, you are not keeping here. If you don't have here equality, you should keep here equality case. So 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 2. That means how many cases for x? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So 3 cases. Again you substitute that x values in the formula. You will get this case as e power minus 1.5 is common to each probability case. That why I have taken out common as e power minus 1 by 1.5 and then remaining sum of the values. That value, if you simplify, getting as 0.1913. Is that question completed? No. That should be completed according to the proportion of days. So you have to conclude that question with the number of days in a year of demand refused. That means you have to multiply this 0.1913 into 365. Is it clear? That's all about that question. Next, a small 2 marks question will be given again. Right. A sample of 3 items is selected at random from a box containing 10 items, of which 4 are defective. Find the expected number of defective items. So expected number is nothing but mean or average. Is that clear? So what is the mean of the Poisson distribution formula? Lambda is equal to NP. So lambda, mu, these are all related to the mean itself. Right. So here you need to find the N and P values. If you know, you get the mean expected number of that question. Whether N and P are given or not, you check out. A sample of 3 items are selected. So 3 items are selected from the box containing 10 items. So what is the total number of items in a box? 10. In that 10, 3 items are selected. So that is N. Next, probability of defective items. Actually, the defective items are given in the data as 4. So probability of defective items means that favorable 4 by the total number of items in the box as 10. That is the probability of defective items as 4 by 10. That means that is 2 by 5 if you cancel. So next, that this probability of defective items comes for P, and this 3 items selection from the box as 3. That is mu is equal to, or lambda is equal to N into P, 3 into 2 by 5, that is equal to 6 by 5, and that is equal to 1.2. So we discussed these many questions related to different words combination for this lambda.